What's going on, everybody? How's everybody out there doing? Hope you're having a great day today. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Welcome back. Welcome back. All right, we're back just to do a update for Zionix Global. If you have not checked out this program, go to this website right here, www.aitradingbot.info. Check it out. All right. Now, before we get into anything, we must go over the disclaimer. All right. Trading and investing in cryptocurrency involves significant risks. Hello. Okay, and that's with anything, not just this program, stocks, real estate, all of it where you're putting your money in is a risk, right? Digital assets are volatile and can fluctuate in value rapidly. Past performances is not indicative of future results. Zionix Global does not guarantee profits or returns of any kind, and all users should only trade with funds they can afford to lose. Meaning you need to only use risk capital, guys, all right? Nothing provided by Zionix Global should be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Users are solely responsible for their decisions and assume all risks associated with cryptocurrency trading, okay? So make sure you do your own due diligence and check out this program before you park your crypto in it, okay? And I'm not a financial advisor, not here to give you advice either. All right, so this is a gamble. I'm rolling the dice as well, but we have to put that disclaimer out there. All right, now with that being said, remember I came back this week, showed you where they've updated the website. This is how the website looks. It looks wonderful, right? I love the way the colors contrast with the screen and everything, the black in the back and the green, etc. So anyway, we want to go over just a little bit of their, they've got a presentation here. So I'm just going to thumb through it and just cover some things. All right. So again, if you want to check it out, make sure you go here. I'll put the link in the description as well. www.aitradingbot.info. All right. So if we come over, check it out. I like how they've got this set up, so you can go and check out this as well. So on Fridays, they have the presentation. The CEO, she does the presentation. Here's the schedule, as you can see here. A few things I'm going to thumb through. Here's the CEO, Jenna, okay? She comes out every Friday and she does that, okay? You can check it out live. Here are the times, okay? So screenshot that if you want, all right? So Zionix Global, the broader vision is to build a self-sustaining ecosystem, all right? So I'm going to thumb through some of these that I saw, I thought was interesting. But again, here's the risk disclaimer, all right? Remember, check it out, take a screenshot of that. No guarantees, no financial advice, and we're not here to consult, right? All right. Now, let's look through this presentation. Looks really good. Okay, this is great. Guys, you can use this. You can read over this. You can share this with other folks as well. Introducing Zionix Global AI-powered trading tools built for beginners and advanced traders alike. Supported by the community, leadership, and real results. All right, let's keep going through here. They kind of talk about who they are. A fintech company focused on crypto education. Again, that's another reason why I got started with this. It's just not a platform where you're just seeing them trading and you're earning passive rewards. They're going to, well, they've already started, all right? They got crypto education here. They got trading tools. They're going to show you, if you want to learn how to trade, they're going to show you how to do that. They have education here for that, and tools you can use and show you how to use the tools. So their mission is to equip individuals with the knowledge, technology, and network to thrive in the rapidly evolving world of digital finance. All right, I'm just going to thumb through this real quick. I saw something else I thought was interesting. Again, you can check this out. Go to the website and pull up the presentation right here. This was pretty cool. AI-powered trading tools. Our flagship crypto arbitrage bot leverages advanced AI algorithms to identify and execute profitable opportunities across both decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. Capture arbitrage opportunity instantly that human trades would miss. All right. In short, the bot bridges DEX and CEX ecosystems, bringing institutional grade arbitrage strategies directly on chain in a simple automatic way. Pretty cool. Okay. And they talk about what sets them apart. Pretty cool stuff. Again, risk management features here. AI bots are equipped with robust risk management protocols to help protect users. Okay. Trading with transparency. I've shown you before in the back office, which I'll show you in a second, how you can look at the real-time on-chain trading API that shows actual trades that are taking place on the DEX and the CEX. All members to track trading activities in real time. All trades are recorded on chain. Okay. Pretty cool stuff. And here's a picture of illustration of that. We'll look at that in a second. And here are the memberships. We've gone over this over and over and over. 149 is the starter package. That's what I started with. And the minimum to deposit in here is 99. The standard is $199, minimum $249, etc. Right? We've gone over these over and over. You can look at some old videos of it, or you can just take a screenshot of this right quick and see. Right? Again, no guarantees of what you're going to earn per day. But here are the packages. It's annual. Okay, you'll pay annual right here. Cost annual. Minimum deposit is over here in this column. Talk about the withdrawals. 3% if you want to withdraw. Okay, they're going to take out 3%. Your deposits are in here for 180 days now. Prior to September 27th, it was locked for 30 days, but now it's going to be locked for 180 days. If you want to take it out early, which you can, they're going to charge you 30%, but you can take it out, right? All right, so great. It's a great presentation they got here, right? So first thing you want to do, like they said, is 3 steps. You want to create you an account, okay? Fund the account and then choose your membership. All right, very simple, very simple. They keep it simple. All right, so let's look at what I've got going on here. Let's see. Let me just refresh this, make sure I'm still logged in. All right, so let's see what we got going on. We have passed our 30-day mark. Let me see. Hang on. Let's see. Where's my, still trying to get used to this thing. Bot, I think it's right here. Yes. Okay, if you look right here, guys, see, I'm 38 days. So I've gone over a month for this one, and I'm 36 days on this one, 28 days on this one. Wow, time flies. It was September 3rd when I put the first create the first crypto package. I'm 21 days on the last one. Okay, so this is zooming by really, really quick. Way past 30 days on these two. These are almost coming. It's just a 30-day lock. Okay, but if I make a new deposit going forward now, it's going to be locked for 180 days. But I could actually go in here and withdraw these two if I wanted to with no penalty. All right, let me go back here. Let me back up here. Hang on. All right, so we stay with profit in so far 83.39. We've withdrawn 46.56, and if you look, my total bot is working from this deposit here of 544. Okay, now what I found interesting was, check it out. The beginner, okay, the starter pack that I purchased, I put in this. Matter of fact, this project is crypto in, crypto out, by the way. You must put crypto in. So my first crypto deposit was $131 in 38 days, and it was less than that, but it's gone up. It's 38 days now, but we'll just take it at that. Off of that 131, I've earned profited $25. If I would have put, I know personally from my institution, my financial institution, if I had put 131 into a bank account and sat it in there, whether it's a checking or a savings, I would not have earned $25 in 30 days. That's what that's telling me. That's how I'm looking at it from my perspective. Okay, for me. And then $174, if I had put that in a savings or checking, I would not have earned $30 off of that in 36 days. So it's so far incredible results that I'm getting. Again, no income claims. I'm just showing you as I'm tracking this. Okay, this is a project for me to track, a case study, just to see how this thing actually going to work and how it's using. Okay, so pretty amazing. So anyway, just wanted to show you that. All right, so that's where we are. So far, so good. And again, you don't have to have referrals, guys. You don't have, this is not something where you've got to refer folks to earn crypto rewards. The bot is going to do that on its own. If you decide you want to share it with others, that's just icing on the cake for you. Okay, but it's not required to earn. The bot is going to do what it does. Okay. And as I stated, we've made a couple withdrawals, which I've shown you guys that, but I'll show you that again. Right here, 2 withdrawals, and it shows that back here in the back office as well, 46.56. So that has worked. That's the thing. I want to test the withdrawals out. I've had 2. They've worked perfectly fine. All right, so far, so good. Wonderful. Now, if you want to get started, guys, of course, you create your account from here. Okay, if you're interested, again, make sure you're using risk capital and you do your own diligence before getting in this platform. Go to aitradingbot.info, right? You're going to create your account. Then you're going to come here, step 1, fund the account. Okay. Fund the account, put the crypto in, send it to the address that they give you when you hit continue. All right. You're going to purchase your license at the marketplace. Okay, which license do you prefer? There's the choices. All right, once a year you're going to pay that. All right, then you're going to come and you're going to activate your bot and it's going to go to work. Okay, you're going to come down here, pick your package. Starter pack, standard pack, advanced pack, elite, or VIP. Pick your package and there it goes. Okay, that's it. That's all on that. Now, last but not least, they're going to actually, this is actually in pre-launch. It hadn't officially even launched yet. They're going to do that in Dubai, as you can see right here, October 17th through the 18th. All right. So if you're interested in checking that out, they list where you can do that as well on here. Check this out. All right. Pretty cool slide they've got going on. All right. So here are they've sold out of the VIPs. They've got the general left. All right. You can go check all this out. And if you're interested in going to Dubai. All right, guys. That's it. That's all. Just wanted to give you a quick update. All right. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please. And thank you. On your way out, don't forget to smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.